Hello, it's Michael here. In this video, we're looking at some of the features of the Multiple Drawings editor in CadTracker. From the Drawings tab in the Project Start page, there are several ways to open the Multiple Drawings editor. You can select one or more rows that you wish to edit and click Edit, Open Multiple Drawings Editor, or right-click the grid and select the same menu option. Another way is to right-click a folder in the category tree view and click Open Multiple Drawings Editor. The editor will open with the drawings in the selected category. As the name implies, the Multiple Drawings Editor allows you to bulk edit many records quickly and easily. We'll select all the rows in the grid by pressing Ctrl-A and then update Title 3. When a value is edited for the current row, it is automatically copied to the other selected rows. Now we'll generate alternative numbers. We'll enter the first number, and the selected drawings will be numbered sequentially. We can search using the search box or a column autofilter. We'll select a new Title 4 for these two drawings. You can also copy existing values to selected rows. Some of our drawings don't have a checked by operator. We'll select the last row and then shift-click to select multiple rows. The last row that we select is the current row. Now we can click Copy Check By to selected items. We'll click OK to save the changes. When you change drawing records in CadTracker, it's a good idea to refresh the borders and replot the PDFs in AutoCAD. You can refresh the border in the Current Layout tab by clicking Refresh this border, and then Plot to PDF to update the PDF file. If you have updated many drawing records, click the Refresh this border drop-down and click Refresh multiple borders. Select the drawings you wish to refresh, click PDF and click OK. That's a quick overview of the Multiple Drawings editor. Bye for now.